Welcome to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to uninstall Internet Explorer completely. Let's get into it. Okay, first of all, you want to go to your Windows 10 settings. You can do that by right-clicking the Windows icon in the bottom left and left-clicking on settings. Here you want to look for apps. You want to make sure apps and features is selected. And then you want to go to optional features. And here, as you can see, Internet Explorer should be at the top. You want to click on it and then click uninstall. And you want to wait for Internet Explorer to completely disappear so you know that it's time to restart your computer. So now you can see that it is uninstalled and a reboot is required. So you can exit out of that, right click down here and just press restart, and as soon as your computer is reset, you will no longer have Internet Explorer installed on your PC. But if this did help you, please hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you've got any ideas for videos you would like to see on this channel in the future, please leave them down in the comments below. And that is it from me. Peace out.